All right, what's up? We are back. We got new videos coming, and my voice probably sounds a little weird. I'm getting over COVID. This is the first actual video that I'm recording post New Year's. So first 2022 video. Yeah, the other ones that will go up, I'll be sounding normal. I mean, hopefully I'll get my voice back soon. But yeah, I've had COVID for like 2 weeks. Still waiting for my voice to come back. It's been gone for like a week. But with that out of the way, I just want to explain that why I'm sounding a little bit funky. We're here for the FTP FUCT collaboration, FUCT. As the title says, this is a collaboration that has been shown off, or it was teased over a year ago. I was actually looking back at when the leaks first popped up, and the earliest one I could find was November 2020. So over a year. It's been a minute. The first thing that was shown off is actually not, or actually no, here it is. So here's the jacket. This is the first thing that was shown off. We have this chocolate chip, I think it's usually called camo, this desert camo, where it has both branding logos going on. We have the little FTP wizard we've seen before. I forget if he has a name or not. And then inside the camo, you have, similar to like Bape and really a lot of other brands where they'll do their branding inside the camo. We have the spellouts for the brands. This is like a military utilitarian type thing, obviously given the silhouette, and then the camo colorway. We have the boonie hat, all pretty dope. I'm liking the camo. Important to note that these patches on the chest, we have one on each side. We have the FTP spell out, and then also the abbreviation. These are removable. There's Velcro. All right, there's Velcro underneath. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to get you guys this drop because it happens tomorrow. Which I should say, I guess I'm a little rusty. This drop happens tomorrow, January 22nd at noon. Pacific Standard Time, so you can calculate what that'll be for you. But yeah, a lot of pieces. We got the boonie. It says 30 years up here. FUCT has been around for 30 years, I believe, and then FTP around for 10. We have some other branding where it will say like 30 and then a divider and then 10, so it's kind of a celebration for both of those. And I think actually FTP is onto their 11th year. I could be wrong, but definitely when this was originally probably planned to drop, it'd be 10 years. But yeah, dope pieces. I really like it. I believe these are pants and not shorts. So we got like cargo pants, the jacket, the BDU, and then we have Army, and then the FTP logo or FTP spell out going across the center, I think it is. Yeah, up here you can see, like, for example, like I was saying, we got the 30 and then 10 years, 30 years here. Might have 10 years on the other side. It looks like embroidery. Some dope pieces. I like these. We also have this middle finger US flag print or fill pattern on a light blue blank. We've also seen this teased in a black blank and maybe a white one, I think. We also have this like collegiate logo one, and then the same thing up on the hat. So we got a hoodie, and then the hat, kind of hard to tell. It looks like it might be like puff print or else Chanel patch, which would be kind of cool. But this black one definitely looks like it has a little bit more going on. Same pants, and then we have, like I said, same logo on the baseball cap. So right here we got the same thing going on once again. Moving forward, we have a button up. I don't know if you want to call it like a rayon. This is an all over print one. Got like a chrome Jesus, which I think is kind of dope. And then we got co-branding. We have the FTP abbreviated and full spell out. We got a little patch down here. Kind of a cool shirt. I think we saw that in some other colorways too, maybe. We have this shirt, which once again, playing on the cross. We have the cross laying down, kind of in like a grunge style. And then we have the years for both of the brands that they started up here for FUCT, and then down here for FTP, obviously. Got some nails going along the sleeves. The carpenter makes sense. We get another colorway for this time around. It's a t-shirt of the same logo that we had on the hoodie. And then we also have a different colorway for the hat as well. This time a navy, and then a mismatching, instead of like kind of this more yellow, we get kind of a lighter gold almost, maybe like a brass color. But moving forward, we have this logo. I'm sure it's referencing some pop culture that I'm unaware of, but we have the makeup similar to that of Kiss. We got the afro. I'm not exactly sure who the character is under there. I'm sure you guys will roast me in the comments for not knowing. I'll blame it on my COVID, pull that card. But me, totally unbeknownst, I do like this shirt. I think it looks cool. The dude's wearing a little FTP chain, kind of a cool way to brand it. I think the design is cool. I've kind of always liked these big head graphic tees. We also have this army design on a hoodie. I don't know. Like, they're kind of cool basics. FTP's like cheap enough, so it's not too bad. If this was something like Revenge prices or Supreme prices, I'd be like, yeah, this is whack. But FTP is super reasonable, so I'm not too concerned about something like that. I myself would probably skip it. Moving forward, we had a pill bottle. I'm not exactly sure what the pill bottle that's being referenced is. I'm not sure if it's like Prozac or something, which like I would imagine that's probably something they're going for. Maybe it's like Xanax, or I don't know. I'm not a pill aficionado, so I apologize. But that being said, I don't know, just kind of like a whatever design. I think FTP's done this maybe a couple times. So and that brings us full circle, but don't leave yet. We're gonna go look at some more of the leaks that we got going on over here at FTP Leaks. Shout out this dude. Always got super useful content going on. We got that shirt. Here is a skate deck of the design we saw before. Let's see. Can't wait to see. Yeah, nobody's saying like what the reference is, but yeah, we got that on a skate deck as well. They got a ton of boxes in. Let's see. Here's behind the scenes for the lookbook. Here's a close-up of some more of the designs. We have the middle finger, the FTP pill bottle type thing they got going on. They also recently teased some beanies, which, you know, could drop. They're heat-activated color-changing beanies, which is, I don't know, kind of cool. I do kind of like these loose gauge ones, but I'm not too keen on the color changing. I'd rather just get like a solid black one or something. So that's a pass for me. Here's all over print for the collaboration. We've seen that design. Here is another colorway, the one that I was talking about. Actually, it might be navy, maybe it's black, I'm not sure. But yeah, the one that they had on the website, of course, was baby blue. Custom tags going on, which I think are pretty dope. We also have, like I was saying, they teased this so long ago, so it's like before the Babylon collab, before all this stuff, before their like last couple massive drops, they were showing off at least that BDU, I think they're called. Let me try to find that, and I think that's the last thing that we really got to show off. But yeah, expect a couple more pieces to release that haven't been shown off, and expect some more colorways that haven't been shown off either. So here it is. Here's the jacket. This was back November 2020, like I was saying. It's been a minute, but yeah, pretty dope. And these, like I was also saying, are removable Velcro patches. They go on and off. There was a video of Zach taking them off at one point. I'm not sure if it was ever on here, but that's the collaboration. That's the drop. It's happening tomorrow. Once again, it will be January 22nd, Saturday, noon PST. Be there, you know, get that shit. It says right here. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. We're back. I'm gonna have some more videos up. Thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you later.